What's up guys, welcome back to JT Exploring. We are here in a different type of place. We came out here camping, and so we're like, there's tons of water rushing and we're just stepping on rocks right now, but we hope there's like a water hole up there somewhere and we're gonna go try and dive in it, so let's go do that. But I will catch when we get up there. So see you for now, but hopefully it's pretty nice up there. Yeah, we've just been, like, our friends and stuff have been saying that there's a big water hole, so we're just gonna go up and check. So let's go do that. But yeah, I'll see you when we get back, when we get there. Oh guys, look at this. We just came around a awesome swimming hole and we might jump in. But yeah, we finally found it and we're gonna go to the deep end and jump in. Look, just up here. Oh, here, I'll get closer for you. Ooh, wait, I might have to cross over. Ooh. This is hard doing it one hand. Here we go.
Pretty good shady swimming hole.
Yeah. Yeah, so look at that. Perfect. So look at, there's like this big rock that I'm gonna go to and might jump off, but we'll have to see how deep it is. If it's not that deep, can't jump off. But if it's pretty deep, might jump off for you guys. It's pretty deep, but not that deep, so no jumping off. Okay, no jumping. Oh, I'm sorry, but when we go to, if there's another water hole somewhere, I will definitely, and if it's deep, I'll jump for you. I mean, so look at that, I'll walk in. Oh my god, could have been bad. Oh. Look at this, pretty deep. Look, that's a deep one, but like, where do I put my hat? I'm going under. Is it fresh? Yeah. No. Great. Hat just went in. Let's go in. Oh, holy. It's a bit cold. Look what we're going right now. Oh, oh, look. Oh. Oh, there's a big rock right there. Oh, it's a bit cold on the willy.
Oh.
Is it cold?
Oh.
Let's go down.
But it's fresh and it's beautiful.
Oh, that is pretty cold.
Oh. Yep. Oh. It's pretty good though.
Are you sitting on the rock?
Oh, yeah. Oh. Lost me, how's my foot doing these days?
Yeah, I don't know if you have seen my other videos, but if you haven't, go check them out. And my dad, he has cut his toe on a stick. So go check that out. Go check that video out if you haven't seen that. But right now we're just gonna chill and have fun. Oh, should I dive under? Yeah, I'll dive under.
On.
Can I? Should I open my eyes or?
Just watch out for the big rocks.
Yeah, should I open my eyes?
How about I move them out of the way?
Wait. I'm just gonna go. I'll just like bob down. Ready? Woo! Yeah, I did open them.
Yeah.
So, pretty nice under here. There's some rocks. Oh, there's a big rock here. Oh! There's another one.
Oh, beautiful.
Oh, it's deep.
I might dive into the rapids.
Yeah, okay. It's a bit deep. Let's go back over it. Oh, I have a feeling it's gonna fall.
Oh, yeah.
I nearly ran into a big rock. Dad nearly ran into a big rock. Ready? Let's go. under here. So we're just like sitting under these rapids and moving some big rocks, but it's pretty nice. Slippery slide. Oh, Dad, ready? I found a slippery slide. Look. So there's this big slimy rock that we're just going on. Ready? Dad. Woo! Oh! It goes pretty deep. Let's get back up on the rock. Oh no! I keep falling down trying to get up. Ready? Slide. Oh no! Oh, sorry, is that your sore foot? No. I keep falling down trying to get up. Ready? I got this. I got this. Ready? Oh! It's too hard.
Any treasure?
Huh?
Any treasure?
I have no idea. Did we bring the snorkels?
No.
Oh, okay. So, did we bring like the gold thing?
Yeah, gold.
Yeah, so,
Gold.
we do have a like
Gold panning pan.
gold panning pan something, and we might get that out of the caravan, but later. Right now we're just gonna enjoy this nice swimming hole, and yeah, so
A nice back massage. Spot.
yeah, so might go hunting for gold. Some. Yeah, so we're just gonna. But yeah, so we might go hunting for gold, but later. Right now is chill time in this nice rapid. So, I keep falling back on big rocks. Oh, I can't. I can't stand up properly today, mate. Okay, so I'm gonna enjoy this nice rapid. So I'll turn you off for now and enjoy. So we just found this rapids behind us. We cleared off some rocks and we're just sitting down, laying down, and it comes pushing on your back and it feels like it's a good massage. Get an underwater shot. Yeah, really nice. Yeah. And if you like don't really hold on, it's like so strong and it sort of pushes you away. Like you need to hold on, it pushes you away sort of. Oh, there's a spider right there.
Oh, check him out.
We're just laying right next to him. Oh my god, oh. Don't let him go in the water. Yeah, it's real nice here. Love this spot. So we just finished swimming. We just finished swimming at this amazing water hole, and we're gonna head back the same way that we came. We're gonna head back to camp probably because my dad's foot it doesn't go that good in water. He's not meant to get it wet, but hey, who can't go for a swim in that? Like, it's beautiful. So we're gonna head back now. We've been there for like, I'd say a good 10 minutes. But I nearly dropped my GoPro and I nearly smashed my camera. So I can't do any more YouTube videos. Okay. Oh. This is a bit dangerous. I'm just gonna follow my dad now. And there's mud everywhere. Great. But yeah, like I said, we're heading back now. Going back to camp. I'm gonna save my swimmers because I can dry off of how hot it is, and I might be going to the pool later. So, like, did we bring the GoPro charger? Yeah. Great. Now I can make tons of videos. Okay. But yeah, so we're heading back right now, and I might go to the pool later. It depends. If it gets like less hot and less sunny, then we can go. But if it
get close to the middle of the day, get sunburned real easy.
yeah. Yeah, it's like nearly the middle of the day, haven't had lunch or anything, and you can get burnt real easy.
Middle of summer for us right now.
Yeah. Yeah, we're in,
Middle of summer.
yeah. Yeah, we're in the middle of summer and it's January. Oh, happy 2020 everyone. But yeah, so we're just, oh, look at this. Dad found a nice walking stick. Yeah, so we're just gonna head back now and see what really happens. It depends on like what the sun is gonna do. If it's gonna go back and like calm down and everything and not be as hot, we should be pretty good. You just want to chuck it there. Oh. But yeah, it depends what the sun's gonna do. If it's gonna be hot like this and everything, we're not going swimming. But if it like hides away in the clouds, something that's not as, ouch,
Where's your doms?
back there.
Oh,
But yeah, if the sun goes behind a cloud or something and it's not as sunny and hot, we're going for a swim. But if it's bad and stuff, we're gonna, yeah, so we're gonna head back now and just dry off. And yeah, so, but we have to get back first because it's really hard getting back because it tons of rocks and everything. But yeah, see you when we get back. Guys, check out where we're camping. It's the best spot you can ever get. Have this perfect little creek to go exploring, swimming, and then, oh yeah, so you can see that little thing right there. It's our campsite. Whew.
see if there's any of those big lizards walking around.
Yeah, there might be one still out there.
I think they call them water monitors.
Yeah.
Other people call them goannas.
Yeah, there's tons of big goannas out here, but we like to call them dinosaurs. Do they work?
No.
Do you want to go like for an explore up there, like for a little walk and see if we can see any goannas? Or dinosaurs? So there's this big lizard type thingy, and I'll go give you a close up of it. We'll try not to scare it. Here, I'll see if it comes towards us, but if you know what it is, comment down below. Wait, ready? But yeah, if anyone knows what that thing is, comment down below.
You recorded?